Hi, today I'm going to show you how to verify Navy Federal card for Apple Pay. So, first open the wallet app on your iPhone and tap the plus icon. Then select debit or credit card and either scan your Navy Federal card or enter the details manually. Now, Apple will connect with Navy Federal and ask you to confirm your identity. At this stage, you will see instructions about how verification will happen. Now, Navy Federal usually gives you two options: receive a text message or email code linked to your account, or verify through Navy Federal mobile app. Pick whichever is easiest for you. And if you get a code, simply type it into the Apple Wallet to confirm your card. If you are verifying through the app, open it, follow the prompt to approve, and Apple Pay will update instantly. Once verified, you will see your Navy Federal card active in Apple Wallet. You can now use it for contactless payments at stores, in apps, or online wherever Apple Pay is accepted. And that's it. Your Navy Federal card is now verified for Apple Pay, ready to use securely and conveniently. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.